Our solar system is made up of the Sun and everything that orbits around it: planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. The Sun sits at the center, making up over 99% of the system's total mass. Its gravity keeps all the planets, including Earth, in orbit. There are 8 main planets, split into 2 groups: the small, rocky inner planets and the large, gas or ice giants in the outer region. The inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are closest to the Sun. Mercury is the smallest and orbits the Sun. In just under 3 months, Venus is similar in size to Earth, but much hotter. Mars is about half the size of Earth and known for its red dust. In terms of distance, Earth is about 93 million miles from the Sun, while Mercury is only 36 million miles away, and Mars is around 142 million miles out. Beyond Mars lies the asteroid belt, followed by the outer planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These giants are much larger than Earth. Jupiter, the largest planet, is about 11 times wider than Earth and orbits the Sun from nearly 500 million miles away. Saturn, famous for its rings, is about 9.5 times wider than Earth, and even farther out, at around 900 million miles from the Sun. Uranus and Neptune are known as ice giants due to their composition. Uranus is about 4 times Earth's size and tilts dramatically on its side. Neptune, slightly smaller than Uranus, but still much larger than Earth, is the farthest planet from the Sun at nearly 3 billion miles away. These planets take decades or even centuries to complete one orbit. Compared to the other planets, Earth falls in the middle in terms of both size and distance from the Sun. It's larger than Mercury and Mars, but much smaller than the gas giants. Its unique balance of distance and size helps support liquid water and life, something we haven't found anywhere else in the solar system so far. If you enjoyed this and want to see more space-inspired content, subscribing to our channel is the best way to support us. It keeps us motivated to create even more exciting and educational videos.